Welcome to our Classic and Sports Car. Today we're pleased to offer to you this 1997 Mercedes SLK. It's a 230 compressor. It's got the AMG Bodypack on it, factory fitted from new. The car's only covered 38,000 miles, extensive service history, sold by us 4 years ago. Let's look around the car. You'll see how this car differs from the standard SLKs that you see. The bumper, the side mouldings and also the AMG single piece wheels are all part of the AMG Pack. Rear bumper is also different, and also we've got the AMG sports tailpipes. As you can see by the car, it's in fabulous condition. Loads of photos on our website for you to enjoy. Being an early car, first year of production, we've got the round button there for the boot release, and also the door mouldings, which are not colour coded. Very few marks on the car, a few stone chips, that's all. No dents or scratches. It's in remarkable original condition, ready to enjoy. All the wheels and tyres are in great condition. If you look on YouTube far enough, you may find the video we did of the car we sold it last time, when it covered 30,000 miles. It's now covered 38. Inside the car, the first thing you're greeted by is this striking red and black leather upholstery. Which is in superb condition. Centre console and dashboard are also blemish free. We've got the anthracite carbon look moulding on the centre there, air conditioning, JVC stereo, automatic transmission obviously, cruise control showing 38,992 miles, sports pedals, SLK mats covering carpets which are in perfect condition. Door cards, similar condition, and the driver's seat there showing very minimal wear. We've got contrast red stitching on the black leather. Car's got a windbreak which is tucked away in the boot. It's also got these sill protection mouldings. I'll put the roof up for you now just to show you under there. While we're doing that, we'll just have a quick look in the boot. The stowaway Vario roof, toolkit, locking wheel bolts all in there, very, very clean, as you'll see by the photos. We'll show you under the bonnet before we do the roof. 230 compressor, 190 brake horsepower. Again, very nice condition. A few little marks just around these areas, but the wings and everything in superb condition. So this is the Vario roof going up, takes 25 seconds. Show you the full operation. Okay, and now we'll put it down for you. If you're in the market for one of these SLKs with a factory AMG bodykit, early car, which is going to be the most collectible one, this could be the car for you. Low mileage, lovely condition, low owners, great service history, and all working as it should. We'll take you down the road in the car in a moment to show you on the road. If you're interested, give us a call on 01507 606 725. Thank you. Okay, we'll just take you for a buzz up the road in this lovely low mileage SLK. Automatic transmission, lovely interior, cruise control, electric windows, electric mirrors, air conditioning. Smooth, no trouble. Drive acceleration from 190 brake horsepower, supercharged engine. So everything working is there's no vibrations on the steering wheel, no warning lights except the fuel warning light which is working. Top down, all electric windows are working on the one-shot system. So ready to enjoy. So there we are, beautiful SLK AMG Pack, first year of production. Low mileage, lovely interior, ultimate to like. Thanks for looking. Have a look on the website, roadsideclassics.co.uk, and also give us a call if you're interested on 01507 606 725.